I'd like to start with the Consumer Duty Champion. It's fairly unusual for the regulator to mandate the appointment of a champion. We see it in the context of whistleblowing, although that does not apply to all firms. However, all firms affected by the Consumer Duty have to appoint a champion. This champion must operate at board level or equivalent governing body if the firm is not set up as a limited company. Their role is, along with the chair and the CEO, to ensure that the Consumer Duty is discussed regularly and raised in all relevant discussions. This is an interesting requirement. It's not an SMF position under the senior managers regime, nor does it have a prescribed responsibility attached to it. The champion role is more than likely to be occupied by somebody who's already in an SMF role for other reasons, but that need not necessarily be the case. In a core SMCR firm, for instance, the role might be taken by a non-executive director who does not need to occupy an SMF role. They will, of course, be subject to the FCA rules on fitness and propriety. Quite frankly, whether the role is occupied by an SMF or not, I'm sure that any person elected to the position of Consumer Duty Champion will take that role very seriously indeed.